feed me. I'm moving night when they really can't see me. I moved back last time, but it ain't last time. I got so much around the house, I had to hide mine. Throw it all before I hit the dough, she dropped them at the clothes off. I thought it was a setup, watching I can doze off. The dogs out the kennel, watching with the scope off. With the heat talk, watching burn your soul off. I took them out of office, now they working me now. I took her out the back, got she place to lead now. Put it in the back, hold the trees down. Trying to tell you what